Always waiting on YouTube. YouTube is the slowest. They're the slowest. That's okay. I can forgive you, YouTubes. The YouTubes close. There we go. We're up and running. We're up. I hope everyone's well out there. Tonight we're gonna tackle something different, kinda. Still to do with those more player info type stuff where it's a, well, you'll see it. Well, I'll describe it anyway. So basically, if say the player's on one side of the wall and an item is on the other side of the wall, what happens is if you mouse over the item that's on the other side of the wall from the player, it will show what it is, which we don't want that. We want it so that if the player, we want basically a line of sight to the item, and that's what we're going to hopefully take care of tonight. Cross our fingers. Now, I don't know if it's going to work. We're going to find out, but that's the plan. That is the plan. There we go. Sorry, I just want to make sure everything's up and running. Ah, wrong button. I always click the wrong button. There we go. All right, so rather than just dicking around, just jump in. Screw it. Let's get to work. Let's get to work. So here we is. Oh, thanks, chat. Well, come on, move in. These wheels are a lot better than the old ones. That's for damn sure. So let's find an item. Key. Where's player pickups? Let's choose the ammo. There's weapons in here? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you. Where are you? Oh, this is a perfect example. Still level controller. No, where's our... Because I know I'm going to have to turn this off. Where the fuck is it? Object pooling controller. So I'm going to have to turn the zombies off in this, but... Just to see if it's working as intended, as is. Maybe I think it's broken and it's not. Wouldn't it be funny if it wasn't? Why did I pause it? So yeah, see how I'm on the other side of the wall and it still says revolver ammo? We don't want that. Yeah, go away, zombie. So let's fix that. Revolver ammo. So we have... ammo pickup script. Oh, why don't I have this loaded? Oh wait, work profile. Wow, I have on mouse over. So... almost exit, almost down. And get rid of this. So let's use almost enter. So let's do a bool here. Bool can see info. There we go. Ah! And if we drop down here, we can get rid of you. Look at all this extra crap we don't need. That's for the canvas. Oh, it's just the canvas. Okay, that's fine. I don't mind the canvas stuff. It's this here. Isn't there an almost enter? Almost over this. So we need a void. Do I have public? That's weird. Void on mouse enter. And then we have on mouse exit. So on mouse exit, we want can see info to equal false. Should put that in there. Ooh, no matter what, we want false. Yeah, pretty sure we want that. Pretty sure. Get rid of you as well. There's no point in me having this shit in here if it's not necessary. So almost enter. So we need a raycast. Do I have one in here that I can just take? Why would I? If physics dot raycast, we want origin. Go transform dot position. And the direction, oh, I should have the fucking direction. Vector 3 direction equals vector 3 dot No, what am I doing? What am I doing? Transform that position, minus player. Oh, good. Dot transfer that position. Whoa, Hugo! How are you, man? I'm very sorry to hear about your loss, your machine your machine problems, man. I hope it's nothing that you can't come back from. That really sucks. I mean, what exactly had happened? Like, was it? I'm looking at the wrong camera. What exactly had happened? Did it just burn out? Did it just die? Out. Raycast. Hit. And we'll just do that. Hit dot collider. Pair tag. So if we actually hit the player, then can see info equals true. Else can see info equals false. Spelled that wrong. Good to hear. Glad you're well. Oh, and this else can't see equal false. Yep. I saw a bed laid in it and what? You're gonna have to elaborate a bit more on that, sir. You telling me you just had a GPU laying on the bed and you laid on it? That's what I'm getting, unless I'm completely missing something, which often does happen. And can see info is true. Now, the only way this is not going to work is if the center of the object, pretty sure it won't hit itself. Hoping. But let's try this out. There's got to be a more involved story than that, Hugo. So let's go to the, so right now that's there. I can get, yeah, that's fine. So let's see what happens now. Yeah, see, nothing. What if I go in here? Oh, great, nothing. Shit. Okay, let's do a debug. Fuck, I think it's hitting itself. God damn it. Sitting. Okay. I was wondering where you were going to type in. I was like getting worried. Maybe that did happen. Oh, at some point the graphics went wonky. Oh. Reboot, take a pic, graphics will crap out, boot, so, oh, really? What if it's a power issue? Have you tried the GPU in another machine? If you have one. Just to see. Because usually GPUs, again, in my limited experience with them, stuff like that happens when there's a power issue. I mean, a driver update, but that's rare. Oh, maybe. That's what I mean. That's why I wasn't sure if you had another PC that you could throw it into, or even another. Well, it wouldn't rule out the power supply, but another. Did you try the another PCIe slot, even if it's not 16x. Like if as long as it, even an 8x one, like, you know, if it fits. Oh, right. Sorry, I thought this was a. Okay. Shit. Yeah, man, that's fuck. What are you gonna do? Do you have anything lined up, or you've just been kind of like searching eBay and crying? No, I understand now. I understand the issue now. It's hitting. Oh, do I have this going the wrong way? I do have it going the wrong way, don't I? Yeah, I do. Hey, Sundry, what you up to, man? Searching some retail sites, eyeing open box demos. Yeah, like your best bet, even if you're like, if you're looking for something temporary, is to search like Facebook Marketplace, like something that's really local. See, it's still hitting the sewer floor. Damn. Why is it hitting the floor? Oh, right. Okay. Yeah, no kidding. True, man. Fuck me. Yeah, well, like that's the shitty part. Like like GPUs, man, they're just not going to come down in price ever. Fuck, this has the mesh render on it. Oh, how am I gonna do this? Okay, I can do this, maybe. Plus transform dot up times 1. This is a really shit fix. Let's see if that's. Yeah. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. And that's probably the only place you're gonna get one for a relatively good price, is to buy a whole system. Oops. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Shit. Is there any other ammo around here? Yeah. Yeah, because GPUs, you can't find them anywhere, like new ones. And the ones that you can find are astronomically fucking priced. Hitting the plane. Oh, thanks so much for the follow. Eco to for food. I code for food. I was way up. Eesh. Okay, so we're hitting that. So am I going the wrong way here? Why are you hitting that? Let's. What am I doing? Go. Don't play the project. Let's try this. Yeah, transform up times 1. I think it's going the wrong way. Let's do a debug. Actually, let's do this in mouse over so we can see it better. Log. No, debug dot draw ray. Yeah. This will be transformed up position, comma. Oh, I'll just borrow this. Just to see. Oh, we want a color. Color. Dot. Let's do magenta. Don't do magenta very often. Yeah, like what are you looking to get, Hugo? If you could find it, what are you looking to get? Okay, so if I hit here, pause. Why is that? Why am I going that way? Why is it going from there down? I don't get that. Unless I have the direction wrong. I always mix those up. There you go. And now it's going the other way. This is the weirdest thing. Why is it not going in the right direction? Fair enough, Sundry. Huh. Unless we do this. No, first off, this is the wrong direction. And let's go. Player to yeah, that's right, because the positions plus player to transform that position. Whoops, that up. Not up times 1. Do 1 as well. I don't know. Rerun free. I'd laugh. Okay, so better. It's just why is it? What is up with this? I didn't think this would be this weird of a problem. Center, yes. Local. Doesn't matter, local. Okay, let's go 2. 2. I'm gonna have to have this for almost every stupid one, ain't I? Yes, that is correct. I have a 2nd gen Threadripper, yeah. And I love it. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. Much as I shouldn't say it. No integrated stuff, Sundry? You hitting still? Still hitting the plane. I don't understand at all. Oh, because I didn't change it up here. But still, the... There you go, you got something. Well, put it this way. Oh, Airboy, how are you? I'm okay. Thanks for jumping in. Hugo. No, like don't get me wrong. I absolutely adore my Threadripper whatnot, but it is what I'm finding now is that unfortunately with the way AMD have gone, I would have stuck with the Threadripper ecosystem, but their new ones, I just can't afford. I can't justify spending, $1,500 on a CPU. So like I'm going to be getting out like my next build, or when I transfer over, when I go to the next one, it'll just be I guess a mainstream CPU. If they ever come back in fucking stock. But Threadripper is absolutely completely overkill for desktop use, unless you need to utilize all those PCIe lanes. There's no reason why you shouldn't go with a desktop processor, unless again you need all those cores for whatever you're doing. So I'm still going to go AMD. The Intel chips are great, but because they're still on that 14 nanometer process, and the architecture is still the same, they're able to, their clock the clock counts or clock speed is they're getting everything out of it, but the problem is it's getting so hot. Like you need at minimum these new chips, you need like a 360 AIO just to keep it at, you know what I mean? Like unless you're going custom water cooling, you're not really going to be able to get anything out of it. I think they're on 11th gen now. No, they're still on 14. Yeah, like you can get a 5600. I think you can get a 5600 at pretty close to MSRP. You can go second gen Ryzen, or sorry, third gen Ryzen, like 3600. I've even seen 3900s out there. They're slightly priced higher, but like you can get a 3900 X for I think I saw it on eBay anyway for like 490, 500. It's still slightly overpriced, but like it's not like double or not even. It's not bad at all. So. Yeah, because even the 9th gen chips, Intel chips, were hot as fuck. They ran really hot. Again, I'm fair play to Intel for being able to push that architecture as far as they have, but at the same time, it's just not like having to you couldn't use it there's not many air coolers out there unless you go real big that would be able to cool the new ones. But again, the reviews aren't out for the 11th gen yet, as far as I know. All that matters is it works, Sundry. It's still hitting the sewer floor. Oh shit, my mouse isn't over, that's why. Still hitting the sewer floor. Why are you starting there? I don't get this. I'm telling it to start, to go up. Oh, I'm an ass. Here. Oh, because I'm such I'm such a dick. I am such an idiot. That's why it's still not working. Vector 3 origin equals. I'm such an idiot. We're gonna go there. Yeah. We'll go origin. There we go. I got it, Sundry. I got it. It's not exactly what I wanted, but I got it where it's intuitive enough where it makes sense. So I did get it. I'll show, if I ever get this fucking figured out, I'll show it. But we got it. Basically, it took me 10 minutes the next day. I had to sleep on it. My brain was not working. I'll show the solution that I came up with. I just want to get this fucking... Hey. Oh, because I have to ignore... Where's the magenta? Oh, it starts there. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. So I need to... So this won't work. Yeah. You might need... Oh. Sorry, I'm just looking at what you were writing there. Okay, so here's the issue with what I'm trying to do here. Because I'm doing on mouse over, if the player's in the way, you can't ignore player here and then expect to work. So I can do, instead of putting this in on mouse enter, I can put it in... Shit, I can do a... See, I don't want to do this for every stupid one. I can make it happen if I'm within this. But I don't want to raycast. I guess I could raycast from every one. I wonder if that's... Yeah, screw it. Let's do it. Let's just do a mouse enter. Let's make it a check line of sight. Void. Check a line of sight. And we want this. So we don't need this anymore now that we know that works, kinda. And that's fine on mouse exits. Yeah, that's fine as well. No, it's fine. So basically what was happening originally is if a player was on the other, if there was, say, an item on one side of a wall, right? Just sitting there on a desk, and the player's on the other side of the wall and doesn't have a line of sight to it, if you hovered your mouse on it, it would tell you what that item was, and I don't want that. I want basically... you only get the item's information if there's a line of sight. I should probably actually do that to... this as well. So the indicator should only pop up if there's a line of sight as well. So I can do... Is there anything in here? Yeah, I can just, for now, let's make that a bool. Check line of sight. Return, can see info. Oh. Yeah, it should be fine. Not sure if I can do it. If check line of sight equals false. So if there's no line of sight, return. Also this. So I don't want return. Actually, no, I can get rid of this. Hold on. What am I doing? Just put it here. And check line of sight equals true. So check line of sight, is true. And if I'm within distance, display all this shit. Yes, so I also need... Yeah. F-word, hey, how's it going? No, that's the thing. I basically want nothing. I don't like I want the player to be able to. Ooh, yeah. See, you're right. I do need to take this out of the equation because I want them to be aware of it. Yeah, I should take that out. I do want them to be aware of it, but I don't want them to know what it is until there's line of sight. Okay, that's fair enough. There's something right in front of your camera which lets the camera lose focus. Oh, really? Is it this thing? Well, one thing that I've stupidly done is I left my camera on autofocus, and I shouldn't do that. It's probably the stupid. It's probably my microphone. Which actually, this microphone is not going to be here very much longer. I have to get it out of the. Yeah, it's my microphone. Look. Yeah. Let's move that away. I'm going to put that on my desk, most likely, or I'll just put it so the camera can't see it. Drives me nuts sometimes, but there we go. That should keep me. 9 o'clock shadow. So yeah, we'll get rid of that line of sight there, because yeah, I should want this. Yeah, so let's go check line of sight. So basically, what line of sight does is it lets the can see info as it makes it true or false, and if it's so on mouse over, if can see false is true, then you could see the info. If not, actually, I should be fine, I think. Oh yeah, I mean, I can throw. It's easy enough to throw a debug log in here to find out if what is blocking it. I just want to see if this works. I'm gonna have to do it, not once, but like one of the things I have to check is make sure is that all of the items, their Y axis is pointing up. Like make sure I haven't rotated. Now the ammo I haven't rotated, but like say for example the health pack, sometimes they're rotated backwards. Yeah, like yeah, it'll be interesting to see. So you actually see this is the thing. What I should be doing is doing it from the player. It should be from the player to that object. Either way, we'll see. No. Okay, well, sorry, maybe I'm explaining myself wrong. If say there's the player's here, and then there's a car here, and there's an item on the other side of the car. I still don't want the player to know what it is. They'll be aware that hey, there's something there because I'll let the arrow indicator come up. But if the mouse goes over it, hovers over the item, unless the player's next to the item or within line of sight of the item, I don't want the player to know what that item is. Basically, I'm forcing the player to go around to check what that item is. That's what I want. Right now, I'm just testing this in ammo. This might not work at all. Let's find out. I don't know. Come on, play. Oh, I hope I saved it. See right there. Did I? Please tell me I saved this. Oh, I did save it. Why wasn't it working? You gonna play or did Unity? I think Unity just died. Yep, I think Unity crashed. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no, here we go. So that works. Why is my mouse? Oh, there we go. Whoa! See, it's not working here now. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have adjusted code. Something's going on. I'm gonna stop that replay buffer. Maybe that's what's fucking this up. Let's try that again. Oh, you know what it is? It's because I'm doing check line of sight. I'm basically doing a raycast at every fucking frame. Ooh. No, let's No, I can do that. I'm not doing anything expensive in here. But this check line of sight should only happen... Whoops. Should only happen when the player is in range. Anyway. But was there like a weird... Well, I didn't really change anything in the scene. The code will save. I didn't change anything scene-wise. But yeah, fair enough. Yeah, look at 14,000... Okay, yeah, so that's... Yeah, okay. I can't, yeah, it's a lot of... That's why I need this to happen. This is why I wanted it to happen in on mouse enter. What's happening in my cursor controller out of morbid curiosity here? Yeah, and that's what, and I think I might have to do that. I'm just really curious to know, because right now, display items description. Oh, I don't have anything for ammo. Why don't I do that? It makes oh. Huh. And then I just make a, for example, display info. Yeah. Lame. Why did I do that? Oh, I'm so stupid. Okay, yeah, this will fix the whole damn. Well, this will fix the whole thing. So I don't even need to do that. Now I can just do it with my cursor controller. So I'm just gonna borrow this here. Copy this, bring it right to the end. I don't know why my ammo is not in there. Ammo pickup. Ammo pickup. Weapon control. Hey. Huh. It's so weird. Ammo pickup. So instead of this on mouse over, that's the weirdest thing ever. Where is my health pickup? Yeah, because this one's using display info. I think. Yeah. So on mouse. The collision check for the ammo, is it using generic methods? Yeah, I think so. Unless you're talking about another script. What do they call this? Forget the damn name. Display info. Oh, that was the health script, wasn't it? Was it not? Oh, look at all that. Look at all that shit I ripped out. Oh, you meant cursor control to this. Yeah, well, okay, sorry. This is only happening on a click, I believe. I've profiled this. This is actually not causing any issues at all. Yeah, this because I had to do this in my cursor control, I couldn't cache every item in the game. Doing it like this, all these only happen once. Like once per, like the user, it's user controlled. So display info is basically on mouse over, if I can find it. All of this. So let's copy this. I believe this is, yeah, I believe. And back to cursor controller. Dev Donuts, how are you? Oh, miss your old overlay? Oh, yeah. Yeah. I know. It's gone. Remove. Display description. Oh, this just does it from here. Okay. So I don't even need to do any of this. So this needs to get ripped out. Oh no, that can stay in there. So I can get rid of almost exit. I don't need this anymore. Ooh, shuck. No, I don't need this anymore. What am I doing? I don't need... Okay, almost done. I can change to... Where's the cursor controller? This is interact. Where's interact? Display interact. See, I don't have anything in here for ammo. That is the weirdest thing. How did I forget ammo? I have weapon. Ammo pick. Ammo pick control. Shit, what is it called? Player pickup. Player pickup item. There we go. So I can get rid of almost down. Yeah. Oh no, Hugo, no, no. No, definitely not. So almost over. I don't need you anymore because we got you taken care of. This, I don't even... Oh, I do need this. But this now... This can now be called from display... So I can call it... Ooh, can I still do it from there? Where does that need to be called? See, this doesn't need to return anything now. This can just be a public void. And I'm probably gonna have to do this for every stupid script. I should just make this fucking generic. We'll see. We'll see if we get there. So I can call this from... Not in here. I don't even need to call this in here. What I can do is I can go back to that stupid cursor controller script. And we can go... We can do it singularly. Check line of sight. Now, oh, that's interact. Ooh, no, I don't want an interact. I want this on... Yeah, display the description. So here. So it'll do a line of sight check, and then it'll, if depending on the outcome of it, it'll do that. I think that's correct. Yeah, look, I haven't looked at the ammo, like, so like the health pickup, the ammo, and the weapon pickup. I haven't looked at those scripts in, well, lately I have, but like not in a long time. It's one of the set it and forget it kind of a deal. Okay, so now what happens is when I hover over, okay, so we can check on the site, that's fine. I can get rid of this in a second. Actually, I should probably get rid of this now. Check if ammo full, that's fine. Display info. So this will be happening. Can't see info is true. And I can do an else here. So if none of those are true. Oh wait. No. Never mind. We'll leave it as is. Just think of leaving it as is. Let's test that. Yeah, let's test that. All these little, I call them quality of life stuff. I don't know, but just the tiny things that I'm hoping people people will never really care about. But like, if you don't do them, I think people might get put off. So let's see if this works. if I go over here? Yeah, there we go. Nothing. What if I go inside? Yeah. Nothing. Okay, cool. People won't notice Yeah, that's what I mean. It's those little things that put people off, and like one or two here or there is okay, but like if there's a lot of things like that, like again, like the use item, I've had a few times, and multiple, like more than a few times in separate sessions, and I first noticed it when that streamer guy was playing my game, was that like not knowing what to do with an item, or not knowing what to do when you get with something, when you get close to something, not knowing if you can do anything with it or not. And basically you have to read the description to figure it out, which is fine, but you want, you know what I mean? So like, that's why I put if you get close enough to use an item on something and it requires an item to be used on it, I just put the little use item. Just, I'm hoping that that's not it doesn't break the immersion and people appreciate it. I'm hoping that that's the case. So they know when they come up against something, if nothing comes up, it's just there for info. Or it's like an item that they can pick. I could put pick up, but I'm not going to. I think that's a bit too far. But I think the use items needed something to tell the player, oh, especially if the player doesn't know where to go. If they come up against something like, oh, I'm supposed to use something on this, I have to go back and search for it. Or, you know, maybe I missed something. I'm hoping that that's the case. Whereas before, you were just kind of left up to, is this just narrative? Am I supposed to do something here? Like you didn't know. So now I got to check all these ammo things. Exactly, yeah. Yeah, that's exactly it. Like, again, I'm not gonna say, hey, use the rope, because, you know, that's god awful. I shouldn't do that. All these should be fine. I'm not worried about these ammo being a problem, because they would all be. But I'm still gonna look through them. I'm gonna do the health next. Yeah, just like a, and again, like using generally the worst. I don't want to say worst, but like the least desirable way to tell the player something is by putting text. You want it to be more intuitive. What I could still do, and because it's easy enough just to take out the text and change it to like, I was gonna switch it to like, I couldn't find an icon or an image that's like like a use item, like a use something or something along those lines. Like I couldn't find one that one would be resolute enough, that's small to like an icon change. Maybe just the change would be appropriate. Like I was thinking about changing it from the arrow to like a picture of the backpack to show, oh hey, I'm supposed to use something in my inventory. Maybe, and I could still do that. Again, the infrastructure is there. Would be nice to have a plugin that shows items with +1 property. That's not a given value within range. Sorry, I don't know what you mean. Am I too thick to know what you're talking about? I think I'm too thick. Oh, see, this one might be a problem. So you could find. Oh, yes, I know what you mean now. Yes. See, I'm just realizing, where did that one go? So no, that one's fine. Is it this one? No, that one's fine too. I just realized there are a few items in certain scenes that are like in a shelf. So I don't know, like in the police station, I'm gonna have to test that out. And find out if the shelf is actually blocking it. Like these ones are all fine. But I still want to look at it just to make sure, like the player would, like, oh my god, the Unity editor is just bullshit tonight. Yeah, these ones are all fine. This one, no, it's still fine because the direction is still outwards. Make sure nothing's blocking. Like, see the stairs? No, they have a mesh collider, so ooh, I'm still gonna take that rifle ammo just to be safe. And move it out. You are that one. You out a bit. It's fine. Also fine. Yeah, these are fine. Yeah, Okay. You're preaching to the choir here. There you go. Okay, so those all seem fine. I'm gonna have again. There's some. I think the biggest one because there's like 4 boxes of ammo that are in a shelf, and I really should just move them the fuck out of there. I should just put them on a desk or something. But let's do the health. See, the health ones might be a little bit different. Like this one's a good one to test on anyway. So health pickup. So thankfully, I think this is all set in. Yes. So it's. Yeah, display info. So right there. You don't gotta be like a prick about it. But it's funny actually. You're dead right. So we can get rid of you. Oh yeah, I should probably make that 8. Bool, 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 bool. What the fuck happened there? Well, it's funny, yeah. I mean, I did teach English as a second language. It's kind of funny, actually. So we got that in there, and display info. What did I do for here? I kind of forgot how I used this already. So I just put it in the display info if you can't see. This is true. There's a lot of Korean children out there that are now almost adults. Actually, pretty much adults now, that probably are speaking incorrectly. That's funny. Can't pick up as true. Oh, it's here. Boop. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so now we go to the cursor controller, and this is the health pickup. Wherever you are, health pickup. Health pickup control dot check line of sight. Bam. Well, I mean, I'm not like when I did it. Like I was working in an awesome job. I loved my job that I had, but you know, when the automotive industry took a nosedive, I got laid off. Like 90% of the plant got laid off. And I said I've always wanted to go to Asia, so I said screw it. This perfect opportunity. The pay was amazing. The cost of living was so low. The culture shock was hard, but I mean, usually if you can make it past like 4 to 6 months, like you're good. And I lived in a rural area, which was great for me because it was harder to get into trouble in a rural area. But I took to it really well. I was there for like 5 years, well, roughly 5 years, I think. Most of them, yeah. Like my airfare there and back was covered. My accommodations was covered. My electricity bill every month was like the equivalent of like 20 quid. My internet was about 20 quid a month. Food, like you can eat very well. Well, you can eat well for anywhere between 10 to 15 euro a day if you really tried. Like really, as in like if you were cooking your own food, you could like half the money. I generally never did. And you were getting free lunches at school, free lunches where you were working. So like a lot of things were covered. Now don't get me wrong, like they expected a whole hell of a lot out of you, which was perfectly reasonable. But like the cost of living there is so low. I was there, one of my next door neighbors in the apartment building I was living in is an American expat, and he's still there. I think he married a Korean woman. And in 4 or 5 years, he was able to save about 60 grand. Like, no, sorry. No, 7 or 8 years, 60 grand. 7 or 8 years. And he's still there, still racking up. Like he's probably minted at this point. So it was so, like I came out of there, I spent every dime that I made, but because of the pension and the bonus you get for completing your contract and all that jazz, I walked out of there after 5 years without trying to save with a little over 10 grand. It's well worth to go if you can. I don't know what the situation's like now. Yeah, exactly. It's right. You get a 20 series card for that kind of bank. Okay, let's try this out. See if it works on these health packs. Unity is just... Oh, I got a zombie in here, don't I? Yep, first aid kit works there. Can I go out this door? I have to go all the way out. So if I go to this side, nothing. Like, I know it's a health pack. I know it's the health pack. That's the thing too. Like, should I really be caring about this? Like, it's literally telling me what it is with the icon. What if I go back in? Get out of the way, dickhead. And now it works. What if I go here? Yeah, that works. What if I go here? Yeah, it works. What if I go over here? Yeah, what if I go here? No. Okay. Someone whose blog I followed. Oh, fair enough. Yeah, like I said, it was really popular to do. Really popular to do. And you, like I said, you come out of there with a good amount of money. Spearter. Spearter? Forgive me if I'm saying the name wrong. How's it going? I hope you're well. Thanks for jumping in. Things are okay. What was I doing? Oh, the item. Is it the item pickup script? That's what I'm working on now. Yeah, I mean, these are all... Actually, I should probably check them all. God damn it. Yeah, so as long as they're all with the Y's... No, even if the Y's not up, it's fine. Because it always goes in the player's direction, so it doesn't really matter. As long as they're not, like, stuck on a shelf. That's the only problem that... See, the sewer shouldn't be an issue. Yeah, I'm not worried about the sewer. Ammo, weapons... Weapons? Okay, I might as well put on the weapon script, but... Oh, this is a bad scene to do this in. Oh, fuck's sakes. Yeah, that's a bad... I won't do the weapon one in here. Where's the item? Red gate. Yeah, I should probably do this to the use items too. Fuck. Key items are next. Lots of people pronounce my name wrong because I'm... Oh, fair enough. Muscle Tiger. Ow. That's awesome. Fair play to the awesome name. I think my name's Nick, and I think it means fat guy who comes down your chimney once a year. But I could be wrong. I don't know why I said that. That was stupid of me. Let's do this. This here. I really should just have this as like an extension script. I don't know why I'm doing it like this. Because I'm an idiot. No, look, it's awesome. I think it's a cool name. I checked on the site, so we want can't see info in here. And can't see info equals true. And that's it, really. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. This is all fine. Cool. So go. This is the item pickup script. Where are you? Here. Item pickup control. Check line of sight. Boom, bang, bomb. What to buy from the asset store? Oh, thanks for popping in. I had no idea. I mean, like, I know people would come in and out and not, you know, I don't expect everyone to say whatnot, but thanks for the kind words. It's always nice to hear that I'm doing somewhat okay, especially with people like Sundry and Hugo ripping me a new one every time I make a minute mistake. I love all you bastards. You make me actually want to stream more. Bastards. I looked Sundry. There was one that I really liked from the asset store. What the fuck was it called? Oh my god. I forget. There was one that I really wanted, and then like it turns out I had it way back when. It's the Octave or Oct. It's the one that you can build stuff really fast with it. Like you put in all your prefabs and all your walls and stuff like that, and you can just like super build things really fast. I forget the name of it. Well, you can't drop me a sub, sir. I'm not. I canceled my affiliate status. If you want to, like, and again, you don't have to, but if you want to, you can leave a tip. You want, or if you want, you can, like, you know, tips are preferred. But if you want something for your money, you can always, you know, pick up a mug or a T-shirt or something. No pressure. You don't have to at all. I just, yeah, I got rid of the affiliate status so I could multi-stream. It made more sense for the content, or for the reason that I started streaming in the first place. So, even though the majority of the people watching me are on Twitch, but yeah. Like again, thank you. Not expected, but thank you very much. What was I doing now? Okay, so item container, item info. So easy for me to get derailed here. That's fine. So that's fine. Let's check one of those out. So there's an item. There's a hammer. We can try it out on the hammer. YouTube UI. Yeah, it's not like, again, I don't blame anyone. Like a few people hop in and out ever so often. So that one works there. Let's go to the other side. Oh, the other side. What are you doing? Go over here. So where's that hammer? Yeah, it's good. It's not working. Now this, it's still, so even on the item info ones, I have to put something on it. I shouldn't be able to read that note unless I'm in front of it. Well, for the streams and no cool emotes, no. Yeah, I know. YouTube's, I mean, it's funny because YouTube could just take it away from Twitch. Like, they just need a couple small infrastructure changes into how they, yeah, like you said, like the UI and all the extra little cool things, fun community things that you can do. If maybe, see, that's the thing though, Sundry, like YouTube might do it, but you know, you need like the members, the channel members. Like, you know, some streams, some channels have the join button. It's the same as a subscribe button, really. Or same as a sub button in Twitch, but like maybe you can have those in there. But you need to have at least, you need to be able to monetize your videos or your streams for that to, for a YouTube channel to get it. Oh, not the key, I wanted the hammer. Oh, see, this worked with the hammer too. Oh, you know what? I don't either, Sundry. I find it very hard to find, and like unless it's, you know, comes up in my feed saying live. I know you, like, again, but it's so easy for YouTube to fix that. They could so easily just destroy Twitch. I wonder if I, instead of using the transform position, like it's like the world space one, if I just use the local one, or the line of sight check, local position, and then have. Can I do, there's no local up though. Unless this is based off of the, I should try that. If I run into one. Yeah. Well, I mean, again, thanks for that. I mean, it's funny. I started streaming my content because for selfish reasons, I needed feedback. I needed you to do something for me. Like, and as much as I hate to say it, that's why. And it turned out like, while, you know, and again, I'm always be grateful for it. You guys have given me an absolute truck ton of feedback. I hope, in some form, I'm ever so slightly entertaining. I don't try to put on a show. I'm just, this is how you see me now, minus probably the projection of my voice. That's how I am in real life. Like, I'm not putting on a character or anything, be an awful shit character, but like, this is how I would interact with people in real life. All the mannerisms you see in the disclaimers before saying something, and all the word fumbles and the poor articulation of words, that's just me as a human being. can't, that's awful. Now that I think about it, wow, I'm a really piss poor person. Here's more of the same that you've been watching. Yeah. Pretty much it. So we should try with the purple key, because the purple key has an odd transform as well. Yeah, like again, like I try to be as pleasant as possible with everyone that I meet. Even if like say someone bad about someone, like, you know, not bad mouth someone because that's too easy, but like say someone shares something about someone, like in a room or whatever. Thankfully, I have it in my head that like if I ever meet that person, I believe I'm pretty damn good at not prejudging them, him or her or whatever, based off of what I might have heard. I think I'm pretty good at that. Pretty sure I am anyway. I like to think I am. Like I don't prejudge people based off of what other people have told me about them. Unless, you know, if someone says, hey, that guy killed someone, I might take that into consideration before approaching them for change. But yeah. I try, but thank you. Oh, well, thanks, man. Again, that's awfully kind of you. I'm just trying not to be... I don't want to be the guy that people are like... whisper like, he's a dick. Don't talk to him. He's an awful person. I don't need everyone to like me, but at the same time, you know... I'm okay with not being known. I'm not okay with people just, you know, shitting on me all the time. That's just not cool. Okay, let's check out this purple key. Purple painted key. Okay, so that's there. Now let's go on the other side of the door. Can't see you. Can't see you. What about if I get right close to it? Ah, okay, so I knew we were gonna have a problem. Can't get any closer, can I? Yeah, so that key should not be able to see me, but the problem is this key. Because this purple key, its transform is this way. I don't know how the fuck it's seeing me, to be honest. Do I have local? Yeah, here. So I might need to take the global. Which, actually, no, the local. It is the local. Yeah, let's try that out. So I'm on item pickup. So let's try local position. Let's try that. And then I can go vector 3 up. Times 2. So we'll test it with the hammer first. I think that's okay. Oh shit, my origin. Whoops. Origin, yeah. There we go. Yeah, again, like I'm not gonna hate someone for being who they are, but I'm definitely gonna disassociate myself with them. Like again, like you can't. Like, it's that whole that Aesop's fable, blah 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 blah. Like you know, you can't blame a scorpion for stinging you. It's a fucking scorpion. If that's the way someone is, that's the way they are. All you can do is just avoid the scorpions. That's it. Okay, the hammer's working. Let's go to the other side and see if that hammer working. Why did I get stopped there? Oh, because there was an exit. Yeah, so the hammer's not working there. Okay, so let's port our player over. Purple painted key. Come on. Highlight it. Fuck! Should not be seeing that. Unless there's no collider on this fucking wall, which would be hilarious. No, there's a mesh collider. There's definitely shit on that desk. Okay, so we got to find out why now. No worries, man. Thanks for jumping in. And thanks for the kind words. Very nice. Debug. Draw ray. Draw line. I think it's draw ray. Yeah, it is ray. Vector 3 starts. Origin. Direction is direction. And we want color. Let's go yellow for this one. Hello. This might not. What if I can just, instead of local position, let's just go position. Transform that position. Whoops. That should be fine if I just use transform that position. Then I want vector 3. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. So let's close this off. Hammer is what we're going to focus on for now, because I want to see... Oh, the editor. It's funny, when I shut down my stream, the editor's fine. That's the weirdest thing. Yeah, let's go. I noticed that. And the only thing that OBS, for example, is taken up is... Oh, sorry. Did you do the thing I told you to do? I can't remember, Sundry. What did you tell me to do? Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's what we want right there. Oh, no, I did not do that. Okay, fair enough. Yes, I will try that. Every time I get so worried about doing that, though. Worried about something's just gonna... Well, I have collab, so I mean, if it fucks anything up, I can always just revert it. That has stayed me so many times in the past. So purple painted key, what is it doing right now? Yeah, okay, that's... Oh, is it going over the top of the wall? It might be going over the top of the wall. Maybe it's just too high, okay. Maybe that's why. Is it going over top of the wall? No, it's just, it's ignoring... How is it ignoring the wall? Got a mesh collider on it. What if I made that... Huh. Put this one and make that one convex as well. Look at that! Unless the raycast itself is... It's going right through... Whoops. What's the code? What am I doing with the code? Check line of sight. How is it not hitting that wall? Unless this wall's on, like, is it on, like, ignore raycast or something? On default. No, I'm using, sorry, what was the question? Are you using player character position? Yep. But why is it like... Okay, first of all, let's see what it's... Like, it's right. Like the... Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait, hold on. Item information. Oh, it's item information script. It's getting called twice. Aha, that's why. So it's working on the one. I just didn't do it to the other. What is that? X in my check line of sight? Let's go back to item pickup. X. What X? X. times. I don't know. I don't know what you mean, Hugo. Oh, the transform up times too. Okay, so what happens is, so say most of the items in my game, their origin isn't in the center of the game object. It's at the very bottom of the game object, right? So like say this is a pickup item. The origin isn't here, it's at the very bottom. So sometimes to avoid weird shadows, I actually take the item and I put it ever so slightly below the ground. So if I make the raycast from the very origin, the bottom, it'll actually hit the ground and it'll give me it'll say I'm not in line of sight, even though I would be if the floor wasn't there. So that vector, or that transform.up, is a way of moving that origin up 2 units so that it would start here or wherever, however I want it. That's all it is. It's basically, it's a way of moving the pivot in a raycast. You can use up, left, sorry, up, right, negative up, negative right. It's a really shit way of doing it, but I mean, for this game, it makes perfect sense. So yeah, it's the item information script here. Because some items, so yes, I need to do it to this as well. Which is fine, at least pretty sure I figured it out anyway. Item information, where did you go? It's right here. Let's put you right there. Why am I singing? Ooh. Paste. What the mother of Christ? Newell? I can't see info, so you go all the way down here to display and info equals true. Yeah. Now it'll work, you watch. But that's weird. That actually tells me, wait a minute, the hammer. Yeah, the hammer doesn't have it. This purple key doesn't need this. That's hilarious. Let's just turn that off for now. I don't think the keys need those. Yeah. That script shouldn't be on it. That's so fucking funny. How'd that get on there? So these keys don't need item information. Remove. I can't believe I never caught that. That means let's take it off all the keys. Oh, because they're still in play. Damn it, I'm in play mode. So none of these need it. None, actually, hell, most of them don't even have it. Oh, you do. Wonder how the fuck that happened. Yeah. Well, let's take it all off because we don't need these. Remove. Watch, it completely breaks the game somehow by me removing these. Where are you? I'm sorry, you guys can't see it because my stupid face is in the way, but I don't care. Convenience store. Yeah, red key. All these keys have it and they shouldn't. That's so funny. I still don't know how it happened. Oh, see this one, yeah. So the items that you interact, sorry, that are just for information, like the officer's badge. I might have, Hugo. That might have happened, yeah. That I need, so I'll need to have it on that as well, which I just did by me putting it in here. So that means on my cursor controller for item information, item information control. Check line of sight. The item pickup, weapon pickup. Trying to think, all the weapons are out in the open. I can still put it in. Item containers don't exist. I'll pick up. This might be the last one. Let's try it out. So yeah, I think by using vector 3 up instead of transform.up, that'll actually, or something like that. It might have been like that key might have been the first key I ever made, and maybe the info stuff wasn't in that. I don't know. We all know how piss poor this is. So let's test out the hammer first. That, no information. Oh, good. See, yeah. Oh, I gotta fix that. Yeah, no hammer information. Good. Hammer. Okay, these I gotta do next. But yeah, sundry. So the gate. So say you're holding it down, and as soon as you say you're trying to move and you hover over the exit, it'll stop you, and then you just hold the exit. So it's not the best, because if you're trying to run away, oh no, it's not bad. Yeah, it's not bad. It works. It works. Let's move the player over to the stupid key. We can see the key, see the ammo. Let's go to the other side. Get item twice on each check. Yeah, now we can't. Now it doesn't work. There we go. I can't see any of these. Great. So I need one on that, and I think there's one here. Is it over here? Oh no, it's not in there. Oh, item hit. What are you talking about? Oh, so you're calling get... Oh, am I? Well, I'm caching it here because I have to. Oh, yeah, so like... I don't know how to... Yeah, like there's no way for me to like, you know what I mean? There's no way for me to cache it in one line. Like there's no way for me to take it here. You know what I mean? And then cache it from this line. So like if this value, if this game object has this component, yeah, but how do I check? I need basically here I'm checking to see, like I have to send a game object because that's what's being returned from the raycast. Well, I guess I can return a collider, but I don't want to raycast and check it. I just want to hit it once. So I don't know how to catch this. Unless I'm missing something completely wrong. Right out of the gate. Like I can't send an information component. I can't do that, or I'd be calling this damn near every raycast check, every frame. Because this could be any item. Like item, there could be 50 items in the game that have this one script on it. So like I need to get the specific one each time. Variable component equals item hit dot get component. Why am I'm drawing a blank here. No, it's okay. Maybe I'm just thinking maybe I'm missing something. Basically, I need to check if the game object has like these individual scripts on it, and if it has this particular script on it, I need to do these things, right? Okay, that thing. It returns a mono behavior, Unity mono behavior. A component is I think of it like a Unity. Yeah, it's a mono behavior. Unity. Script. Yeah. Yeah, basically. So what does get component? Like as in like just without that in there? Oh, I see what you're saying. I think it'll pass that. Item hits. Get component. Yeah, like it's like I need something in there. I need so when it's in the if component. Yes, yeah, it checks the, yeah, it basically if this exists on the component, it's basically at looking for it. Yeah, so I mean I can put equals true. Yeah, so it's a bool. It's basically checking to see if it's present or not. I mean yeah, like there's no other way to do it. That's all I know. It's a weird way of writing it, like or I can put, like, if I really wanted to put not equal null. Whoops, I can do that as well. What is it returning for the same call? Okay, so instead of me well, basically the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want to call this twice if I don't need to. Like initially, like this here, technically I don't need to do that. Basically I can just call this dot display info, but I set it up in case I needed to add other ones in there. So I wonder, hold on. Wait, hold on. I think I understand what you're getting at here. Instead of doing that, hold on. Item hit dot get component item information. Check line of sight. Yeah, so like I wonder, let's see if I'm doing that, I'm still calling this. Like, yeah, there's no other way. No, I understand what you're saying, but there's no way for me to catch this. There's no way for me to get the instance of it without checking to first see if it's actually on the game object. There's like I could maybe if I I'd have to make a separate tag for every one. There's not one that I know of, no. Like technically what I could do is I can do send message. Like I can just go item dot, I can just do this. I don't know how expensive this is. I've never actually profiled it. Send message. Whoops. Am I doing that wrong? That's the method name. Oh, maybe I can't actually convert it. I could do that. You know what I mean? No. No, you can't do that. No. No, Unity doesn't let you. I really wonder if, like, I wish I... Yeah, because there's no way, because this is being called from the raycast function, right? Oh. Or is it if one is true? I guess, yeah, I can hit return at the end. Yeah, I mean, technically I could put return. Yes, that's very true, Sonia. That's actually, that's like, because I don't think any one of these... Yeah, you know what? That's a good call. Oh, well, or I can just, yeah, I was just gonna say, I just use else if. Yeah. Yeah, that actually, that's a good catch. Yeah. But I really wonder if this is more expensive than that. Because technically I'm calling it, I'll be doing it twice. So if 2 of these get component calls, because they all have, I can just change these methods to be the same name. And then I can literally just do send message this twice. I wonder. Be a bad thing to profile. I was thinking something like Object X. Yeah, I know. Looks. Yeah, Hugo. I kind of know what you're getting at now, but no, Unity. Unfortunately, no. Unity won't let you do that. Yeah. Yeah. No, I know. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Yeah, it's just Unity's things. I'm really curious to know though, if I could just simplify it all to that. Something that, like, it'd be something to... You know what I mean? Just that. Basically, I can get rid of everything else, just that. Well, Hugo, go ahead and explain to Sundry there. Either way, that makes sense. And actually, I can do the same thing for here. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. So where's that sign that's not working? Now this, unfortunately... This is probably up too high, so that's probably going over the wall. Balls. So they want an item information. I can change this from vector to maybe 1. But it's not a type, it's a mono behavior. I don't think you can do that with mono behaviors. Or maybe you can't. Maybe there's just another way of explaining it. Maybe. Oh! Can you paste spin that for me, Sundry? Okay, let's go to the other side. Ah, see? Yay! No, it won't work with that. Yay. Oh, the light lights it up, though. That's not cool. My light's lighting that up. Fuck off, zombie. Okay. Why is my light? Oh, it's because it's probably sticking through the back of it, is it? Let's bring this a bit over. There we go. Let's try that again. Yeah, it's still, why is that still lighting up? Hold on a second. What is this? Oh, this is player info. Where's my player lights? Player spotlight. That is the front. Calling mask. Players. Don't need to light up the player. There's another light. B-Fifer, yeah. Oh, look, if you guys can figure it out. Why do I have 2 spotlights? Seems excessive. Yeah, why is that lit up? Oh, I died. Fuck me. Give up? No. Oh yeah, because we didn't save anything. That's right. I have 2 spotlights. Fucked up. It's just an empty game object, okay. Weird. It's also an empty game object. Splatter, death being in position, no. I also have to add a rag. I know you guys are having your own conversation there, but I also have to add a ragdoll for the player. Maybe it's that. Shouldn't be. Let's find out. No, that ain't it. It's that light, but how is this light affecting it? It's only supposed to affect the player. The player info. That's really weird. Wait a minute, what's the mesh? Oh no, it's the same. Player info. Huh. Some interface with logic is trying to. Yeah, I should have. Yeah, you're right. You're not wrong. Okay. So the only other one we're gonna try, we're gonna save this. Beef fiber, like the name. Let's go to, what was the one that I was worried about? Well, actually, the only one left is the weapons. Oh no, let's go to the police station. Because there are some ammo in there that I'm worried about. Police station, police station. Hello, right there. Everything is so dark. Why is it? No, center. Daffy bastard. And where's our test spot inside? Where are you? No, you're in. Oh, shit. Oh, I have it there. Good. Woo. It is the spot inside. Yeah, that's, well, yeah, that's gonna be hard to, I should say it's gonna be hard to implement. I mean, if anyone can do it, you can. You got this. Where the fuck is the, it's way over here. In here. Well, if you know how, just do it, sir. Just do it. Why are you watching me in my piddly shit code? Yeah, any localization is never easy. So these ammos... Oh, it does work. Cool. I didn't think it would work. Go out here. Whoops. They don't light up. Hold on. Let's increase the range of these just so I can test them out in here. Key items? Player pickups. What the heck are they? Ammo. So let's just make the range on this 15. Good. If we port the player back in. Aha, you can't get me, zombie. Cool. Aha, you can't get me. I'm in a locked room. Stuck a nut, prick. Cool. Let me click on that just so I can see what you guys are on about. Oh yeah. Why won't it do that? Out of curiosity, you're right. Let's just play around with that. Just variable. Let's just try it. Ammo. Item. Let's get the ammo one just for consistency. Yeah, see what you put here is component is ammo pickup. Like, you're right, you can't. Oh, I see. Yeah, sorry. If yeah, I think you can actually do that. Not equal. Oh, I guess you can't do it there. Okay, fine. I guess you can do that. But wait, can I access the things in it though? Check line of sight. Let's just go ammo. Holy shit! Huh. Does that work? No, really? So yeah, you're calling it one, caching it once. I didn't think at all that that could work that like that. I didn't think you could Huh. We have to check that out. What's the other one? Hold on. Display info. Yeah, I think it will. I mean, it's referencing it in there, and then I can just do a return. So I don't do any of the other ones. I can just do one at a time. Ammo item? No, like I see that's the thing though. I'd have to do this. And then if it didn't work, then I'd have to do another one, variable. You know what I mean? So like I'd still technically be calling this because I'd have to do another one. Item info equals this. You know what I mean? I'd still have to do it. Like they'd all have to be the same. right now, the way it's set up, I'd have to do that and then do the item information one. So, yeah, there's no way to. If I could just send. No. Go ahead. Ammo item is thingy. Right, yeah. No, I understand, but like, so basically what I'm saying is if the way I have to set it up, right? And then here I go, if item info not equal null, right? And then I would do this, you know, blah, 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 check line of sight, display description, we're going here. But I'd still be checking this, like by checking to see if there's a component on it, it's still the same as calling this. Oh. Okay, I've never seen it put that way before. Maybe I should have. If ammo item is and you want like no, you don't want to type thingy is get component. Oh. Like get rid of this. No, but if no, is it no? Is it has type? I wonder if no. They're all mono behaviors, yeah. Sanju, you're killing me here, buddy. Weapon pickup? Oh, we haven't done that one yet. I haven't done that one yet, but weapon pickup script, hold on. What am I doing? There you go. Yeah, there's not inheriting from anything, no. These ones. No, I didn't I don't refactor. The only thing that I refactored was the enemy health script because I absolutely had to make the ragdolls work. Don't worry about it, guys. Right now, I really do want to check this. I really do want to see. I can get rid of all of this if I just to see how much send message costs. But I'm pretty sure that would be a lot. The message is awful. Unless I added a receiver. Either way, no, bad idea. I still want to test it just to be sure. Anyway. Yeah, no, it's grand. Look, there's so much of this can be refactored. I just wasn't, like, obviously I wasn't thinking. I didn't know. I was very, all of these scripts, especially the curse controller, like the enemy health script I wrote in my ignorance, my programming learning infancy. Anyway, so that works. Weapons, flare weapons. Where's this stupid shotgun? It's over here. And of course you are, oh no, you're actually the right way up, okay. I gotta clean that. I shouldn't say clean it up. I gotta move it around a bit. Ooh. Oh my good God. Display info. Create new button. Buttons, 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 buttons. Containers don't even exist anymore. I want to see it too. I want to learn, damn it. Where is my outdoor test outdoor spot? Well, it's right there. It's not too far away. Come on. Okay, so I shouldn't. Oh, I guess I'll shoot the shotgun. Why can't I still? Why can't I still? Oh, wait, does that have an item information script on? Oh, it shouldn't matter anyway. No. Take a look at. Oh, I don't have a debug on it, do I? Shotgun. You get out of there. Compile faster. Oh my God. No. They can't see it there. Can't see it anywhere. No, why did I? Let's take a quick gander here. Agree. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yes, yeah, if it inherited, yes. Everything that could have been, everything that, yeah, everything that can be picked up should have, yeah, I shouldn't have done them separate. Oh, I don't have a reference to something? Oh, right, because yes, Sandra, you're right. I should have did that, yeah, I should have did that with all the use items. I should have done it with. But it'll take me I don't know. You're right. You're 100% right. Shit. No, this is the... Yeah, look, yeah, you guys are right. Yeah, they all should have, everything that, yeah, that should have been picked up or interactable should have been, yeah, should have had one base class. Would have made everything a lot easier. I wonder how much of a pain in the ass it would be to rewrite it. It wouldn't be, shouldn't be too bad. But again, as much as I hate to say it, no, it is a good idea. It's a good idea in the fact that it would be appropriate. I think it would be an even better idea if the shit that I do have was causing some sort of improper performance problem, but it's not. But yeah, you guys are right. Oh, which one did you make? Oh, I didn't see the one at the bottom there. Yes. All right. Oh, I see what you did, Hugh. Okay, okay. Yeah. Tip to identify. You're essentially tagging the class. I get it. I get it. I thought Unity had something like this already kind of built into it. Yeah. Actually, Sundry, I was thinking about that, but I'd still have to call that. Oh, well, you know what? Know what I'm thinking? In this cursor controller, see all checks line of sight, then displays the info, checks line of sight. I should just put this display info and check line of sight. And then call it once. And then I really could call it like you just did, Sundry. Yeah. Once per hover over, I believe. Once per hover over. So it only ever happens, yeah, every time the mouse hovers on something, it calls it once. And if they hover off of it, and then hover back on, it calls once again. Yeah, what I'm doing, yes, as, what's the term I'm looking for? As, unelegant as it is, there's no performance hit. As in, if there is a performance hit, it's not measurable. Okay. I will think about... I really, to be brutally honest though, actually see, the item information isn't a pickup though. But all these other pickups, I really should just use I should just rewrite them. I really should just rewrite them. I like your idea though of writing a fake interface, but I think the proper thing to do is just for all of the pickup ones is have one game game object pickup script or master pickup class, and then just have all the other ones go underneath it, and then I could just. But item information wouldn't fit though. There, yeah, okay, yeah, fair enough. So yeah, well, obviously I'm not doing it now. But thank you for the eye-opener. If anything, if I take anything from this tonight's stream, it's definitely that. But thank you for that. Let's try this again. If I can get this stupid, should be the last weapon. Yes, I understand where you're coming from now, Hugo. I get it now. Just have to fucking do it. Well, look, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'll do it if it's absolutely necessary. I should though. See, the thing is too, if there's ever, say whenever I do end up releasing this damn game and there's a problem, refactoring it now would make it a hell of a lot easier to try to debug later. Why am I still able to see this fucking shotgun? I still don't have to come back and deal with later. Why am I able to see this fucking shotgun? I shouldn't be able to. Oh. Wait a minute. No, it still should be fine. It still should be vector 3. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Origin. Direction. Color. Let's go green. Green. This time. Is that compensation for the origin of the shot? Yes. Now, unless this guy doesn't have a collider or anything on him. No, he does. Did I seriously? Oh, yeah. And the car has a collider. Yeah. Okay. Ouch. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Load. So if I hover over the shot, whoops. Oh, now I can't see the shotgun. That's good. I don't want to be able to see. If I go here, still can't. Still can't. Yay! Now, it's because that guy's in the way. But that's fine. Whoops. Took his own life. Can't see the shotgun. If I go closer. Shotgun! Don't pick it up. So I go over here. Shotgun. Shotgun. It's too far away. Get closer. Can't see it. Yay, I can see it. Woo! Okay. All right, the only other one I want to try is the knife, because that one's indoors. Save. There's a lot more to do. Christ almighty, if only. Bunker? Must be the bunker. And I think I'm just gonna play it. Because it should start me in the bunker. This took a lot longer than I thought. Not gonna lie. Knife. Oh wait, what am I doing? Of course, the knife always should be seen because I can't not see the knife. It's right there. But just out of curiosity, where is the knife? I want to see how high up that thing went. Level map objects, player pickups. Yeah, see, it starts there and goes down. That's what I kind of want, just in case there's something right next to it. Yeah, right into the player's balls. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so... yeah, it's actually a bad idea to test out in the bunker. Where's the gun? Oh, it's by the cop, right? So just in case the player doesn't pick up the gun in the tutorial. So this here has item information, that's fine. What was the other one? Shit, back to the police station. Come on. Open. There was one more type, and I forget, it's like the interactive text ones. It is... info items? Police report. Oh, it's got an item information script on it. Okay, perfect. Wasn't sure if I needed to do anything with this. So yeah, you shouldn't know that this is a police report. If you're in this room here, you shouldn't, even though it should light up. And the same with the other one, the computer. Although, yeah, if you're out here, you shouldn't. You should know that there's something there, but you shouldn't know what the fuck it is. Okay, I'm happy with that. So far, I'm happy with that. All right. Yeah, fuck me. That I thought that was gonna take. I thought there was a few more I had to do, but I'll have to obviously go through and test them all. It's on my list, but I have a good few. I think that's the last quality of life thing that I wanted to put in before moving on with the more of the narrative. I do need to build more interiors, which is fine. I think I might do another convenience store and put it, if I can find the map. No, that's okay, Sundry. That Steam page is something that, like, I know the game in and out, right? So I know, like, I don't want to show just, like, because the bosses are obviously, like, the most exciting parts. But, like, if I can get a pic, like, what I'm going to do, is I'm going to record myself playing the game, find an interesting spot, and I'll just grab a screenshot out of that. Like, I'll record it in 4K, I think, best I can. And I'll grab a screenshot out of it from, like, you know, DaVinci Resolve. This way I can get, like, you know, where the, like, you know, that the melee spider, he runs up to you and he does that, like, cool 4-kick thing. Like, getting one of, like, that would probably be a nice shot. Maybe a shot of, like, one of the zombies, whatever, like the ragdoll effect, I think would actually be pretty cool. Maybe a boss shot. Like an explosion shot with one of the barrels, maybe pushing some of the enemies back. That might be kind of cool. And maybe one of the puzzles, like, I'm trying to think of what's the best looking interactive puzzle that I have. I don't know, they all look like shit, to be honest. Like, trying to think about, like, the lock with the numbers on it, and the, you know, for that little highway scene, maybe a picture of that. And then, like I said, I gotta completely redo the trailer, because that's very old footage. And maybe just a few scene shots, like, you know, the barrel fire, like the barrel fires add nice ambiance. Trying to think of another area that has some cool shit in it. Like some of the, I'm trying to, like, the interior ones. Probably the best interior one, or the most busy. I don't know. But yeah, I need a couple interior. Like, I kind of know what I want. It's just, oh, that, yeah, I can keep that. Like, thankfully, I still have that footage. I can keep it. Yeah, because that doesn't really change much. But yeah, no, just the gameplay itself is it showed, you know, where there's other characters that you're talking to. Those are gone. Fuck out of here. Maybe a picture of one of the notes, like one of the non-plot point notes, just with, like, you know, like something along those lines, just to kind of show, hey, there's narrative, hey, there's destroying shit, hey, there's a puzzle, hey, there's more killing stuff. Something that gives a very general, a good overview. But the trailer itself needs to be razor focused, and I don't know specifically what the trailer should be, because right now the game is more combat heavy than it is puzzle heavy. Although, it's kind of hard to gauge that because you can't be doing puzzles for the whole game. So I don't know. I'm hoping it's spread out enough. That's the other thing, the pacing between the combat and like finding an item, using an item, to the combat, to the puzzle. I hope that's paced out enough. I know the power plant / business district, that one, there's a lot going on in that scene. But I'm hoping there's enough in between each of that kind of those mechanics. I hope there's enough spacing. Yes, you did. So we'll get there. Lots to do. Lots to do. That's the wrong button. We're gonna go here because there's not enough time to start anything and be able to finish it in the stream. Plus, I'm not going to lie, I really have to pee. Like, I really, really, really have to pee. So I think it's best for my internal organs that I get out. Yes, Sandra, I remember. Yes, no, I did. Yes, I've watched a good few of the videos there. The hardest part is like, from what I remember, it has been, I'm not gonna lie, it has been a little bit of time since I watched the last one, but it's easy. Sorry, it's hard for like, cause he knows, obviously he knows everything. He's trying to convey it to you, which is fine. But it's like taking what he says and like, okay, what do I have in my game that I could do that with? I'm like, oh, I don't have anything. What else has he got to say? No, I don't have anything of that really. So it's like, it's hard to get it up. But like, the lessons are there. Shoots How Gaming. Hey, you know how to make a first-person shooter in Unity? I kind of know where I would start, but upload your project to GitHub. Yeah. I'd also have a stolen game in like a half a day. Oh shoot! Sorry about that. I'm notoriously bad with people's names. Even easier ones than yours, and yours isn't even complicated at all. So I'm very, very sorry for that. I appreciate the understanding. But yeah, no, I mean, like, I'm not gonna lie, Shoot Show. I started by doing the Unity tutorials, the one that Sundry there linked. The only way that I learned how to do anything was just by doing it. A first-person shooter, it sounds like an easy place to start, but it's actually that's a big. Oh, thanks so much for the follow, man. That's actually a big undertaking. There's a lot other than making the player run around and shoot things. There's an absolute truck ton more behind the scenes for that. So if you want, and if you're looking for advice, start much smaller. Still, by all means, prototype it out, but like until you're much more familiar with Unity, if you wanted to use Unity or Unreal, whatever game engine you want to use, until you're more familiar with that and the code base and develop your own kind of workflow, I would start anything that big. Start with like, again, maybe you're not looking for the advice. I don't know. Depending on the game itself, like the core mechanics of the game, those are also big undertakings. Like, if you want to go like Mario style, like a Mario Kart style, like the 2D kind of, it'd be easier than the 3D, that's for sure. But again, there's all those mechanics, the item mechanics, the inventories, the whatnot. So it's a hard, like, race game is probably, I think a race game would probably be better than a first-person shooter to start. I think it'd be a hell of a lot easier to prototype anyway. Yeah. Well, again, Hugo, thank you. I like, even though like the shitty thing is, Hugo Sundry, that I know the solutions or the workflows that you're showing to me, they make sense. It's just in my head, I'm like, if I go and implement that, there's a potential for me to create, I don't want to say 2 or 3 days extra work, but like it's extra time that would be added on. And right now, if it's functioning and it's not causing any problems, should I change it? again, the only reason why I changed the enemy health system is because I wanted the ragdolls in, and it just made sense to do it at the time because I was already refactoring everything anyway. So, yeah, I like, because the other part of me as well is thinking, okay, if I ever have to, like, in 2 months' time or 3 months' time, go back into this game and start trying to fix something that someone found that broke, it's going to be a hell of a lot easier to read potentially or follow if I do it your way now. So there's that to kind of factor it as well. Right from the beginning. Right. Shoot show. I would suggest, yeah, if you're going to choose between the two, do the race game. You can get the assets themselves are really easy to find on, again, I'm using Unity, on the Unity asset store. And the physics system is already built in the Unity, so like you don't have to code any of that. And there's tons of help. So I would go with the race game. Again, I don't know what kind of race game, but like I would start with the race game rather than the first, because at least with first person shooter, or at least with a race game, you don't have to really deal with any animation systems or that nature. The hardest part for that is just going to be the physics, making the physics seem realistic and getting the feel for the car and whatnot. So, but that's where I would start, given the two choices. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it would most likely be more fun to do the first-person shooter for me, but there's just so much more than just running around and shooting to deal with. Thanks, Hugo. Thanks, Andre. Look, if anyone out there is new to the stream, checking in for the first time, maybe the second, and you like what you saw in any way, shape, or form, please smash that follow button, subscribe, hit the bell, share, comment, do all those lovely things. If you want to join up on the Discord to get more information about the game that I was working on tonight, you can do so with that link there. And if you want, I would really appreciate it if you can go to Steam and click on Wishlist for the Caretaker. And you even give a playtest. The playtest build is one from like mid-ish December, so a lot of the changes that you might have seen in, wasn't much gameplay tonight, but a lot of the changes that have been made haven't been implemented in, which is something else that I got to test, see if those bosses function appropriately in the survival mode. That'll be another one. Christ almighty. So, and if you want to contribute, you by all means send a tip there. You don't have to, I don't expect it, but if you really want to, that's probably the best place to do it. And if you want something for money, grab yourself a t-shirt, a mug, a mouse mat, a phone case, I think through there as well. And I don't think there's anything else really. Oh, yeah, no, I said mouse mat. It was just stickers. There's stickers. Again, no pressure. I'm not expecting anyone. Few of you have, and thank you very much for that, but I don't expect much at all. So I will be back on Tuesday, hopefully with something a little bit more interesting. I really do I think right now I need to focus on the lore and the more explorable areas. And once those get nailed down, where every scene has its own little story to tell, then I can go and finally try to balance all the bosses. And yeah. There you go, Hugo. Look, again, if you're gonna get a, like, I don't know, I don't know what it would cost if you just get the sticker. I don't know what it would have cost to actually deliver it. Like, I don't know, maybe there's like, I hope it's not like a $15 delivery fee for a fucking sticker. I hope that's not the case. That's Slendery. Oh, F. Oh, I think they do. I definitely think they do. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump out because, like I said, I can taste the contents of my bladder right now. It's awful. It's all the way up to here. It's just peeking over the uvula. So thanks all. Thanks very much, guys. I'll see you Tuesday. Stay safe, stay happy, stay happy, stay productive, and just don't be a dick because we have too many of those to the goddamn planet. So thank you very much, guys. I will see you super soon, and if not, I understand why. It's my face, isn't it? I just knocked my water over. Son of a